Hey guys, what's up? Are you ready to dive into the world of web development and wanna create something extraordinary? If yes, then you are in the right place. Hey, I am Bishi Datto and I will be your guide on the incredible journey to mastering web development. Whether you are starting from scratch or have little bit of web development knowledge, this course is perfectly for you. Imagine building a stunning looking website, work smoothly and make money for you too. Yes, it's possible. The best part is, by the time you finish this course, you have the ability to make your future and turn your dream into reality. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and follow along with my videos. And let's build incredible something together. Your journey to becoming web development pro starts here. Stick with me. I promise, a bright future is just few lines of course away. So, let's get started.